The rear stairs dropped open at 10,000 feet. Wind screamed into the cabin.
You won't.
Below him, nothing but darkness. Earlier that night, he boarded like any other passenger, neatly dressed, calm, unremarkable. No one noticed him. That was the point. When the briefcase opened, everything changed. He didn't shout. He didn't threaten.
You're safe if you listen.
He simply explained the rules.
This isn't amateur. No, this is rehearsed.
In the cockpit, the crew understood immediately. This wasn't panic. This was preparation. Whoever he was, he knew the aircraft.
For a reason. And the night.
On the ground, federal agents rushed to comply. $200,000, unmarked parachutes. They assumed one thing: no one survives a jump like this. He demanded 4 parachutes instead of 1. Not because he needed them, but because fear changes decisions. The plane took off again, slow, low, and unstable. Exactly as he wanted. As the storm thickened outside, he worked methodically, strapping the money to his body.
That's the risk.
Checking his gear. A man in no hurry. The rear stairs lowered into the night. The aircraft shuddered. Alarms flickered. From this point on, there would be no undoing what came next. Then, he stepped into the storm. No hesitation, no final words. Just a man vanishing into black sky with the money tied to his chest. Search teams swept forests for weeks. Helicopters circled. Dogs tracked nothing. There was no parachute, no body, not a single trace of impact, no torn branches, no disturbed ground. It was as if he never touched the earth at all.
He didn't die here. Only a few thousand.
Years later, a small portion of the ransom surfaced, weathered, rotten, incomplete. The rest of the money never appeared again. Investigators chased hundreds of names: soldiers, engineers, criminals. Each theory collapsed under scrutiny. Every suspect failed to fit the full picture. So what happened to him? Did he die in the storm? Or did he walk away? The only skyjacker in history to succeed. No one has ever repeated the crime. D.B. Cooper, never found, never proven dead.